So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Ooh. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you know what Halloween is? Yeah, it's that holiday where you go from house to house and go trick-or-treating and get candy. Oh, I love candy. And those houses are all decorated, really spooky. Yeah, with jack-o'-lanterns and ghosts. Hey, why don't you and I draw ghosts today? All right, let me take this black marker and draw a very big curved line. Ooh, and then I'll do some curves at the bottom, just like that. Whoa! And then I'll draw an arm, another curved line. Woo, with 3 fingers on that side, and on this side, with 3 fingers as well. Oh, cool. And I'll draw a circle right there for one eye, and one right there, but I'm gonna fill it in. Whoa. And then I'll draw a circle for the mouth, and it's saying right there, spooky. Whoa! Wow, I love Halloween, and I love you, Ghost. You are so silly. If you want to keep drawing with me, yeah, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!